Hi everyone. The topic is past tense regular verbs, specifically focusing on the ed and the d ending. The simple past tense of regular verbs is formed by adding ed or d to their base form. If the verb ends in an e, we add a d to form the simple past. For example, with the word changed. Here we're only adding a d. With the word want, we're adding the ed, the ed, wanted. And the same with the word end, ended. When speaking, the rule is a little bit more complex. We pronounce the additional syllable ed only after words ending with a t or a d sound, because it is not possible to clearly verbalize the d at the end of the word. For example, demand ends with a d sound, so the simple past is pronounced demanded. It is not possible to pronounce demand. The same with start. It is not possible to pronounce start, so the ed must be pronounced started. Here's a tip to help with the pronunciation of these words. First, try to pronounce the word mentally, only with the d sound. For example, danced, yelled. If it is not possible to pronounce only the d, then pronounce the extra syllable. Shout, shouted, demanded. So this means that we only add the d sound for regular verbs with any other ending, because the d can be verbalized. Here are some examples. Call ends with an l sound, so the past tense is called. Open ends with an n sound, so the past tense is opened. And change ends with a g sound, so the past tense is changed. Here are some more examples. Like becomes liked. Walk becomes walked. Help becomes helped. Watch becomes watched. And miss becomes missed. Try reading this text to practice your pronunciation. For more information on our one-to-one classes with a native speaking teacher, visit speakeasy1to1.com. Thanks for watching.